Hello friends, welcome to my kanji class. We will learn some more new kanji in this session. Let's start today's session. Without wasting time, let's start today's class. Today we will learn lesson 17. Hope you are doing well and healthy. Let's learn. Look at this picture. In this picture someone is listening. Here it is someone is reading. Here it is written cashier, it means some person is buying something. Here the person is writing something and here both are talking. This is looks like a classroom because teacher is teaching. Here two kanjis you already learned, that is he and also reading can be ni, so nihon, and this kanji is go kanji. We will learn in our advanced classes. So more or less you can guess what are the meaning of these kanjis. Okay, meaning of the kanji: listen, hear, ask. You can use this kanji for listening and also asking someone. Okay, kunyomi, kiku, onyomi, bun. Writing orders mentioned over here. Please follow it when you write the kanji. My dear friends, don't be fear for a long stroke orders because you already learned this kanji. No. This is mon kanji, meaning is get, and this is also we already learned in our previous class. This is mimi kanji, which is ear. Okay, kiku, kiku. Once again, kiku meaning listen and ask. Sinbum, sinbum. Once again, sinbum meaning newspaper. Kikoeru, kikoeru. Once again, kikoeru meaning be audible. Meaning of the kanji: read, kunyomi, yomu, onyomi, doku. Writing order given over here, please follow it. This kanji easy to remember. This is imas kanji, it means say, and this kanji is urimas kanji, means selling. Yomu, yomu. Once again, yomu meaning read. Dokusa, dokusa. Once again, dokusa meaning reader. Dokuso, dokuso. Once more, dokuso meaning reading. Yomikhata, yomikhata. Once again, yomikhata meaning how to read. Meaning of the kanji: write, kunyomi, kaku, onyomi, so. Stroke orders mentioned over here. Please follow it when you writing the kanji. Kaku, kaku. Once again, kaku meaning write. Sorui, sorui. Once again, sorui meaning document or papers. Jisso, jisso. Once again, jisso meaning dictionary. Sodo, sodo. Once again, sodo meaning calligraphy. Meaning of the kanji: talk, speak, kunyomi hanasu, hanasi, onyomi wa. Please follow the stroke orders mentioned over here. This kanji just now I said it is imas kanji, and this is no, katakana no, and this is furui kanji. So you can remember this way also, this kanji. Hanasu, hanasu. Once again, hanasu meaning talk and speak. Kaiwa, kaiwa. Once again, kaiwa meaning conversation. Hanashi, hanashi. Once again, hanashi meaning story. Denwa, denwa. Once again, denwa meaning telephone. Meaning of the kanji by, kunyomi cow, onyomi by. You know this kanji, we already learned in our previous class. It is kai kanji. Okay. So please follow the stroke orders when you write the kanji. Cow, cow. Once again, cow meaning by. Kaimono, kaimono. Once again, kaimono meaning shopping. Bye bye, bye bye. Once again, bye bye meaning buying and selling. Meaning of the kanji educate, teach, religion. Kunyomi osieru, onyomi kyo. My dear friends, don't fear when you look at this kanji. This is chuchi kanji. If you divided this kanji this way, this is chuchi. This is katakana no. And this is kodomo kanji. This kanji comes from hitting kanji. Nowadays in our educational system, punishment strictly prohibited. But in those days, when children are learning in their Gurukul, they got punishment if they make mistake. So this kanji comes from there. Okay. Now we have classroom, we have auditorium hall, we have so many places. Also you can learn from internet. But in those times students are learning in Gurukul. They used to sit on the ground. So chuchi, no, kodomo and hitting. So this is education. Teach and religious. Even if in that time religious also very strict. Osieru, osieru. Once again, osieru meaning to teach. Kyoshi, kyoshi. Once again, kyoshi meaning teacher. My dear friends, when you start to learn lesson 1, you find two words sensei and kyoshi. Both meanings are teacher and instructor. But when you say your own profession as teaching, watashi wa kyoshi desu. I am a teacher. But when you say other person as teacher, it means someone else, like Yamada-san wa sensei desu, means Mr. Yamada is a teacher. For your own profession, you cannot use sensei, it is kyoshi. Okay? Kyokai, kyokai. Once again, kyokai meaning church. Kyoshichi, kyoshichi. Once again, kyoshichi meaning classroom. Now it is quiz time. Here I have given some sentence. Please read it. It will help you to memorize the kanji along with the sentence. Read after me. Nako-san wa daigyaku de nihongo o oshiete imasu. Depato de kaimono o shimasu. Kino furui shinbun mo yomimashita. Junko-san to denwa de hanashimasu. Koko ni namae o kaite kudasai. Oba-chan ni hanashi o kikimashita. Okay? Here hanashimasu is talk, but here hanashi is story. Here I have given some words in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning of those words. I think you find this class helpful. Please click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think they can get benefit from this class. Today's lesson is this much. Let's meet in next class with some more new kanji. Till that time, sayonara, goodbye.